Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable UEFI boot in Dell laptop. So first of all, enter BIOS, press F12 to enter our boot menu, and from there select BIOS setup to enter BIOS of Dell laptop. So just press enter to enter the BIOS settings. Once you're in BIOS, so now from here, find general and boot sequence. Let me just show you. So as there you can see. So now from here, simply change the boot list option to UEFI. Once it's changed, just apply the settings and restart your system to boot into UEFI mode. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.